Crazy and life would be good.
Yeah, poor guy.
Oh, Gene, who we got here today?
He laughed this morning when
Hi,
I
we've
told
got our
him.
wonderful sister and
I
brother.
said it's your favorite
Ray and
pest.
Berta.
There's Ray and Berta
It's Ray and Berta.
It's Ray and Berta.
Yeah.
Yay!
in the movies.
Okay.
Nice
Hey, hi people.
Nice Christmas. Oh yeah, hi Natalie. Nice Christmas visit,
Natalie.
and we will
No, this is the mailman.
get a little snack going and
Don't chase our mail down the
I don't
way.
know why that's so dark.
Yeah.
Oh, Nini. Daddy just taking some pictures. Nini. It's got a little red on his head. This must be the female.
She's pretty.
Can you see the red on her top of her head?
You got a good zoom there.
Can't believe the size of the snowflakes. Just turned 32, and the
Just turned 32.
yeah, just turned 32, and it was drizzling, and the drizzle just happened to turn to snowflakes. You can see it better back here. Can you believe that? Some of those flakes are so huge, they look like 50 snowflakes put together. An intervention today. Karen and the kids came down and Gary got up and Jean was in the front room and they all said, "We think you need to go to physical therapy for your own health." And I said, well, didn't really want to, but after they talked to me for a while, they convinced me I should go, and I think I will. Maybe it'll be better for me. Here's Puppy with a new sweater in the snow and it's 17 degrees. Fine looking dog. Oh man. The weather's been so bad we haven't been able to go in the shed to put our Christmas things away yet. I got totes and all kinds of decorations out here. There's Nanny. Went to bed about 1 o'clock this morning, peeked outside. Oh, it's snowing like crazy, and there's about 2 inches of snow on the ground. So, I guess the ground was too warm and a lot of it melted, but it's cold today. What is it, Nanny? Where are you? There you are. Hi, baby. It's cold weather, don't bother her much. She'll sit out there, enjoy herself. She'll be sitting on the front sidewalk. And it's like 18 degrees and she's just sitting there looking around. Okay, Nini. Let her in now.
To you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Karen. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
She didn't let us down. She barked.
Oh, that's right.
She always. Did you hear her on the
Do you want me to blow
phone?
out the candle?
And many more.
Hey, Grandpa. That one says 5-1.
There you go.
Okay.
Whoa!
Wow, you are a winner. Hey. Okay, lights. There you go. And Nanny even got a sing, didn't she?
And then she invited SpongeBob.
I didn't have my
It's like,
camera out,
this year
Karen.
I'll be even older.
What did you get for your birthday present?
Oh, I got a luxurious massage package
Ah,
and eye mask and loofah and some girly some girly unders and
all right.
lunch and a t-shirt and a lounging beautiful teal colored t-shirt.
Okay.
And yeah.
Well, you had a great birthday.
Good.
Well, many more birthdays.
Yes. Who's got the next birthday? Is there a March 4th coming up?
Aha, the man.
If I get there.
You will.